Hello. That's good. So today we're going to be doing an easy, fast look in 10 minutes using only 10 makeup products. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. Today, it's all about an easy, fast look using only 10 makeup products in 10 minutes. And this video was actually inspired by my friend Tamara from Tamara's Timeless Beauty. You have to check out her channel. She does amazing, beautiful makeup looks. She is a wealth of information on skincare and everything for the over 50 woman, but I'll be sure to put her link down in the description box below. Now, this is not going to take 10 minutes, absolutely not, because I'll be talking in between, but I found this routine super quick, super pretty, and very doable to get out the door fast. So, how you doing? All right, let's go ahead and pin back my hair. I've already done my skincare. I've already applied my sunscreen, but today, since it's only 19 degrees here in Tennessee, oh my gosh, it is so cold. I feel like my complexion needs a little bit more hydration. So what I'm gonna do is to prep my skin with the TULA Skincare, the Filter Primer, Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. Now this comes in 4 tints or 4 shades. I'm in the shade Luna. It instantly smooths the look of uneven skin tone while creating a radiant base for your makeup. Now I'm in the shade Luna and it comes out in a pump and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. You just take a couple of pumps. You can kind of see a tint to it, but let's go ahead and apply it as it runs down my hand. All right, so let's take that into our fingertips. And what we're going to do today is we're going to use mostly our fingertips because I find getting ready in a flash, oh my gosh, I'm like rummaging for brushes, trying to find the right type of brush to apply my makeup, but we are going to use our fingertips today and maybe a sponge. But this is so hydrating and so moisturizing, and the fact that it blurs just creates a beautiful base for our makeup. Now I did take the liberty of putting my eyebrows on today. I'm sure you didn't want to see that, but I just quickly did it with one of my all-time favorite drugstore brow pencils. It is the Brow Ultra Slim from Maybelline. It's a 1.5 millimeter tip, so you can easily carve out your eyebrows, but this is going in quite nicely. It feels so hydrating and so silky on the skin. It actually has ingredients to combat redness, and since it's so cold here, my skin is really experiencing some redness, particularly around through here, but instantly I feel like it calms my skin. It has so many good ingredients, but yes, it's so silky. It feels so good. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with a skin tint, and this is fairly new. It is from SHISEIDO. It's the SYNCHRO Skin Self-Refreshing Tint with an SPF of 20. I'm in the shade Light HIBA. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Well, it's supposed to be a skin tint, but the coverage is actually more than just a tint. But this comes in 12 shades and it retails for $43. And I've been really loving this. It's so convenient to use. It's kind of a thicker consistency, and you would think with a tint that you don't get much coverage, but you would be surprised. Let's go ahead and apply some in the middle of my face. And fanning it out. When you use your fingertips, especially in the wintertime, the heat of your fingertips is actually breaking down the product, making it more malleable to apply to your face, and it just applies so much smoother. And I find with this particular skin tint, I don't need a brush to smooth out any streaks. Oh, but there's a cat hair. This is such a hydrating formula, and over time, over the course of the day, it just gets better. Okay. That is just one pump, and I just used my fingertips. I barely see any streaks, but if you do run into some streaks on your complexion, just go ahead and take your dampened beauty sponge and just tap it in. But seriously, I can just throw this skin tint on and not worry about any streaks. It just lays beautifully and so smoothly on the complexion. But yeah, I can just barely tap it in and I'm fine. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn my light down so you can see what it looks like. See, it's not full coverage. Remember, it's a skin tint, but it just makes the skin even toned, it makes it look glowy, it makes it look fresh, and you can build it up if you want. Do you want to go ahead and build it up? Let's do it. Since I do have hyperpigmentation and melasma right through here, I'm just going to take an extra little squirt, like a pea size, not even, and then just dab it right through here for a little bit of extra coverage. And like I said, it just lays beautifully on the complexion. It's so smoothing and it just looks wonderful. Now you're not going to get full coverage. Remember, it's just a skin tint. And it's just going to create an even, beautiful complexion on your skin. Oh, I wish you could feel my skin right now. It feels so soft and silky. Now that we have our skin tint on, I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm just going to go in with my all-time favorite drugstore concealer. It is from Catrice. It is the True Skin High Cover Concealer. Of course, it's fortified with hyaluronic acid, and it is waterproof. It is full coverage, and it's super hydrating. And I'm just going to put it where I need the most brightening, and you really don't need that much. Right through there, and right where I want to brighten up my areas, and where I tend to get red. And then with the pointy side of my sponge, I'm just going to tap that concealer in. And whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just going to go over it over my eyelids. Complexion products are on. I love how it's so nice and even. We just have the right amount of concealer to cover up and conceal our dark under eye circles. Everything looks smooth, looks velvety, beautiful. Now that we have our complexion products on, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush and some bronzer. I forgot about how convenient the KAJA Play Bento Trio is. You have 3 products in one and they're all stacked up like this. It's super cute. It comes in 3 color stories and I'm in the shade Cloud Latte. I'm gonna go in with bronzer and I'm just gonna take it on my fingertips, heat it up right at the top of my cheekbones, and I'm just taking it down. And it's just going to add more hydration, more juiciness to your complexion. I'm going to go around. I mean, easy peasy. I mean, it can't get any easier than that. It just blends beautifully onto the complexion. It leaves no texture, just the right amount of warmth on your skin. It's beautiful. This is like a one-stop shopping center for your face. Now I'm going to go in with the blush. It's this gorgeous coral color, and I'm going to take it on my BK 106 brush. Just going to take a little bit on the tips and just pop it right on the top of my cheekbones and blend it out. Oh, that's so pretty. Now I am gonna go ahead and set my under eye. Of course, I'm gonna use my favorite, the KOSAS Cloud Setting Powder. This is vegan and hard to open. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with my flat Ulta brush and just set my under eye area right through there, just pressing it in and setting my T-zone. Like that. Now for eyeshadow, I am so excited about this new product. It is also from KOSAS. It is their 10-second liquid eyeshadow. 10 seconds, are you serious? Now it comes in 6 shades and they retail for $15. Now I got 3 shades. I got the shades Blaze, which used to be Globe. I also have Heat, which is a rose gold. And then I also have Simmer, which is a neutral beige champagne. Now, you know I love a good one and done eyeshadow look, and this is just way too easy. Okay. It's a dreamy gel watercolor infused with liquid skincare. Hello, what's better than that? Let's swatch these and I'm gonna show you the consistency of them. This is Heat, this is a rose gold. Shimmer, which is a neutral champagne. Oh, look at that. Blaze, which is a neutral bronze. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh, beautiful. We're gonna go in with Blaze, which is the neutral bronze, and I'm just gonna pop it all over the lid, like that. And what makes it so quick and easy, you can just put it on both eyes at the same time, like that. And make sure, I'm gonna go all the way to the inner corner and a little bit up. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take my ring finger and just tap it in. Oh, this is so pretty, so quick and easy. Now, you don't have to use your fingertips, you can use a brush as well, but I figured if you're in a rush, just take your fingertips and tap it in. I find this lasts all day. I find it hydrating. I find it super smoothing. It's so pretty, such a quick, easy look, and it's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and play with Simmer and see if we can put some in the inner corner of the eye and see how that looks. Just for a little bit of highlight. And this time I'm gonna take my inner corner brush from Sigma and just tap it in. Ooh. Okay, so now that's super pretty. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to check out Simmer and see how pretty it was. This is pretty. And if you want, you can just take a clean tapered brush and just blend it out. Now for eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Flower Beauty Longwear Eyeliner. This is such a creamy formula. I'm gonna go ahead and tightline my waterline and just run it underneath and tightline just to make my eyes pop. Do you see how tightlining your waterline can just add that little bit of definition and pop to your lash band? That's all you need. It's super quick and easy, and it just adds that little bit of definition. Absolutely love it. Now for mascara, no surprise here. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez Universal Strokes Mascara. I find that this particular mascara formula, you don't even need to curl your eyelashes. It's lengthening, it's volumizing, it's a standard wand tip applicator, but I find that you don't even have to curl your eyelashes, and it goes on beautifully. So let's go ahead and mascara up. Look at those lashes, and I didn't even have to curl them. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Now this is a higher end mascara. I bought the mini for $11, but I highly recommend it if you just want to test it out. Oh, I need a little more blush. I think I need a little more blush. Looking pretty good here. We're almost done. 10 products, baby. After all that, I'm just gonna go back into my brows and do some last minute definition. Now, since we have such a neutral look, I want to go in with a nice juicy lip, and I'm going to go in with the Milani Color Fetish lipstick. Now, not to be confused with the Nude Matte collection, this is actually a balmy formula. It's ultra moisturizing and it has nourishing oils to condition your lips all day. You can sheer it on, you can pack on the pigment. I'm in the shade Fantasy, and it's so hydrating. Let's go ahead and pop on Fantasy. Look at that color, look at the shine, look at the balminess, look at the juiciness. This is a fantastic little balmy lipstick. Comes in 9 shades, it retails for $8.99, I believe. I'll make sure I put all the products listed in the links below. But isn't that stunning? I think I'm ready to face 19 degrees outside. But yeah, this is the final look. Super easy, 10 products. Now I know it was kind of a cheat with the KAJA Play Bento, but it's so fantastic that you have 3 products in one. I actually didn't put on any highlighter, but we have highlighter in the KAJA Play Bento. So let's go ahead and take a small tiny tapered brush, the 108 from BK Beauty, and let's just take a little bit of that highlighter and just pop some on right through here. Oh, isn't that pretty? And then a little bit up through here, not too much, just a little bit for that final glow. My skin feels super hydrated. It feels velvety. It feels soft. I got a beautiful, simple, bronzy eye look from the 10-second liquid eyeshadow from KOSAS. I want to show you how beautifully the primer as well as the skin tint look in natural daylight. So let's go outside and take a look. Oh yes. How you doing? So if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and letting me share my 10-minute makeup routine to get out the door fast using only 10 makeup products. My skin feels hydrated, it is smoothing, it is blurred, and I've got to thank the TULA Skincare Filter Primer. Absolutely wonderful. And of course, the SHISEIDO Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Tint. If you're looking for a skin tint that's going to provide an SPF of 20 and you want light to almost medium coverage, you would absolutely love it. Now remember, it does come in 12 shades. It comes in a plastic tube that's perfect to travel with. And of course, I can't forget the KOSAS 10-second liquid eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. These come in 6 shades. My particular favorite, of course, is Blaze, which is a neutral bronze. It just lays smoothly on the skin, and of course it has skin loving ingredients too. So easy to apply, so easy to tap in and have that beautiful one and done eyeshadow look. But in my next upcoming video, I've got so many new drugstore makeup products that I can't wait to test out with you. And I've also been testing out a new skincare product that I can't wait to share my results with you. So in case you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of my family. And if you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some more foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist over here. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.